yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. You say you are lost and you're in need of some advice. I'll try to be honest, though it's easier to lie. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, get up and get out. 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 It's okay to be broken. It's okay to laugh and cry. 'Cause when you try to see the problem, that means you figure it out. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, yeah. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. Yeah. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, and you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, yeah. Get up and get out. 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 Get up and get out, yeah,
Each night I am lost swear it was real. When I close my eyes, you're right here with me. And I'm calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. And I wait when I'm crying your name. I'm crying your name. Winter's gone now, we're headed for summer. I guess that means it's been 3 years come June. And I don't even try to remember. Can't seem to remember to forget about you. Long gone, but you're ever so near. And I hold on to my fever dreams. So long as I sleep, you are here. When I close my eyes, it's you that I see. And I'm calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. And I wait when I'm crying your name. I'm crying your name. Calling out, calling out. Calling out your name. Reaching out, reaching out. I am calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. And I wake up and cry. I'm calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. And I wait when I'm crying your name. I'm crying your name.
There's a hummingbird singing right outside my door. I'm going out to hear it better, 'cause it reminds me of my home. And every time I see it clearer, it begins to fade away. It's like I'm stuck here in the middle of what's going on around me. Oh yeah. This is how I've been staying on my feet. This is how I can tell you I'm on my way to a better place for both of us, where we never be alone. This is how we can work it out. There's a spot over the rainbow where no colors can exist. It's just a way for Mother Nature to show that some things can be missed. And when I see you through the sunlight as you're walking towards me, I don't see how you could be happier about the way it turned out to be. Oh yeah. This is how I've been staying on my feet. This is how I can tell you I'm on my way to a better place for both of us, where we'll never be alone. This is how we can work it out. Staying on my feet. This is how I can tell you I'm on my way to a better place for both of us, where we'll never be alone. This is how this is how we can work it out.
When I see you on the street, I wanna call out your name. My love for you, baby, has always been the same. It's amazing